6:53 p.m. A severe
Baltimore County in northern Maryland, northwestern Howard County in central Maryland until 7:30 p.m. At 6:53 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was 11 miles southwest of Sykesville, or near Damascus, and was moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Sykesville, Eldersburg, Oakland, Gamma. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building and avoid windows. If outdoors or in a mobile home or vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 7:30 p.m. for the following counties in Maryland.